Hi everyone and welcome back to another part of our tutorial. In this video I will show you how to display the products in our shopping list. First, let's create a layout file for our product item and name it item product. Now let's open our item shopping list XML file and copy all the content and paste it over here. Because we will use only a single view, these two views are not needed. So let's remove them. Now let's change the ID of shopping list with product name. Let's also change this with this because it needs to be placed below our first view, and change the grocery with milk. And looks pretty nice. Now let's create the view holder class for our product and name it product view holder, which obviously extends recycler view.viewHolder class. To save some time, let's open our shopping list view holder class and copy all the content and paste it over here. Now let's do the necessary changes. Let's collapse this. Let's delete these two views and change the name to product name text view. Let's change also the constructor and delete also these views. Let's change this with this and find view by ID, product name text view. Let's change now the method name to set product and pass our product model as the last argument. Let's keep these two strings because are needed later, and let's also delete these lines. Let's get now the product name, which is equal product model get product name. Inside the onClick method, let's add a comment. Let's delete first this line and write move product. Because on item click, we'll move the product from one section to another. Inside the onLongClick method, let's comment these lines of code for the moment. We'll do all the necessary changes in the next video. This episode is more a copy and paste episode, but in order to save time, let's also copy some code from our main activity. But before, let's uncomment these views. Let's copy this and paste it over here. Let's also copy this and paste it over here. Let's do some changes. Let's replace this with this method call. Let's do this also in our Google API client, and let's remove these two lines of code and also this field. Let's copy more code from our main activity. Let's first copy this and paste it over here, but instead of the shopping list model, we'll use our product model, and instead of our shopping list view holder, we'll use our product view holder. Now let's copy all the lines from here and paste them over here. And now let's make all the necessary changes. Let's call this find view by ID method on our shopping list view fragment object. Let's do this for all our views and replace this with our getContext method. Let's change now our query, which is shopping list products ref. Let's call where equal to method and pass is in shopping list equal to is in shopping list boolean. And now change the shopping list name with the actual product name. Let's change the shopping list model in the Firestore Recycler options with our product model. Let's also change in the Firestore Recycler adapter with our product model. Let's do the same thing with the view holder and change this to product view holder. Let's replace it also here, and also here. Let's change the shopping list model with our product model. Let's also change this method called to set product. Now we need to pass as the third argument our shopping list model. Now let's also change the context with the method call. And let's change also the shopping list model with our product model. Let's also change the item with our product item. There is one more thing that we need to do, and that will be to copy and paste a few more lines of code from our main activity. For that, let's copy these methods and paste them over here. We need to change this to public because we are in a fragment, and delete this line of code. Now let's see if it works in our emulator. Before testing, let's open our product view holder and set the product name to our product name text view. I have my emulator running. Let's open our first list, and as you can see, it works. But if you take a closer look in our locket, we'll see a warning that says failed precondition, the query requires an index. You can create it here. Let's go ahead and create this index. Let's copy this line, which is an URL, and paste it over here. Let's hit create. But guys, I'll pause this video because it will take up to 4 or 5 minutes to finish building this index. I'm back, and as you can see, the index was created. Let's try again in our emulator. Let's clean this up. And as you can see, the warning is gone. So that's all for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to move products between sections, how to edit, and how to delete products. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next video.